Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.